In this video, we are going to learn how you can turn your B2B marketplace into a B2B plus B2C hybrid marketplace using B2BKing. So let's get started. We are here in the official demo site of B2BKing. B2BKing is already installed and activated on this site along with WooCommerce. And this website is a B2B marketplace. Now we will be turning this website into a B2B plus B2C hybrid marketplace using this plugin. What we have to do first is go to the admin dashboard of this website. So we're going to click on admin demo, and here we are in the WordPress admin dashboard. The first thing that we need to do to turn our B2B website into a B2B plus B2C website is that we are going to have to click on B2BKing. And it's going to take us to the dashboard. We're going to choose settings. And from here, we are going to take a look at the plugin status. You can see there are two options, B2B shop or a B2B and B2C hybrid shop. So this is what we want. We're going to select this and click to save settings button from here. Now, this doesn't automatically turn your website into a B2B plus B2C shop. You have to do some tweaking of your own. Now, what do we mean by B2B and B2C marketplace? So if we visit our site, we can see there are several products on our site. Let's take this classic chair, for example. If we click on it, you can see there are price tiers over here. So if we purchase 5 to 10 of this chair, we're going to get a 5% discount. And there are more tiers as well. So let's go ahead and see what happens. If we add 5 of this product, you can see we're getting the discount. Now, if we click on add to basket, and if we view the basket, you can see we are getting 2 more options. Request custom code, save as purchase list. Now, an ordinary customer should not be able to request custom code or save as purchase list. Now, I'm saying this under normal circumstances. So we need to remove this option. And also, let's remove all the products and return to the shop. We also need to remove the tiered pricing feature for B2C users so that only the B2B users will be able to see this. Now, the first thing that we need to do is take a look at the registration process. So we're going to go back to the dashboard and hover our mouse over B2BKing and then click on groups. And from here, we're going to click on the B2C users. And this is where you can take a look at the privileges or features for B2C users. They can get direct bank transfer, cash on delivery, invoice payment, and purchase order. If you want, you can also remove the flat rate or free shipping feature. But for simplicity, we are going to keep these on, okay? Now we're going to save the settings, and then we're going to take a look at the registration page. So over here, if we go to the registration roles, we can see there are 3 roles: individual customer, factory, and wholesaler. If you want to create the registration form, you have to go to the registration fields first, and this is where you can create your registration form. Now, after you create your form, you just simply copy the shortcodes and add it to your registration page. So let's take a look at the registration page. We're going to go to the site, click on business registration, and as we are logged in, we cannot see the form. So let's visit this site in an incognito browser. Okay, so this is our registration page. As you can see down over here, we have the user type. So during the registration, users can select what type of group they want to register as. Now, you can see that custom user isn't showing up. So let's fix this. So back here in the registration roles, you can see the individual customer is over here. We're going to click on edit. And over here, we're going to enable this non-selectable option. Now, if you don't have this, you can create this quite easily. Just simply click on the add new button, add the title of this role. Make sure to name it something like individual customer, regular customer, or a regular buyer, something like that. Then also make sure to add this to the B2C user and not any other B2B groups, okay? So once you're done, you can click on update. Now let's take a look at our form. If we refresh this page, and now if you click on this drop down, you can see the individual customer is over here. So when users register, they can select this individual customer, click on register, and they will be able to register as a regular B2C customer. So now that we have the registration role control, now let's remove the request a code and save as purchase list buttons. So if we go to the settings, and then we're going to click on Codes and Offers tab over here. And over here, you can see Request a Custom Code button in cart. Currently, it's only enabled for B2B and not for B2C users. Make sure that this is enabled, okay? Now we're going to save settings and go to users. And what we are actually going to do is set our user to a regular B2C customer so that you can understand how this looks like. Currently, our user is the large businesses group. So if we click on edit and set our customer group to B2C users and update profile. Now let's take a look at our shop. If we click on the chair and let's purchase 5 of this product, click on view basket. Now you can see we do not see the request a code button or the save as purchase list button because we are now a regular B2C customer. Now what we need to do is remove the tiered pricing. So you can see the tiered pricing is over here. Regular B2C customers should not see this price table. So we are going to head over to the admin demo and we're going to hover a mouse over products and click on all products. And here is our classic chair. So we're going to click on edit. And now if we scroll down over here, you can see the regular price and the price tiers. And there are also other price tiers for other business groups. But the price tier that is set here, as a regular customer, I am seeing this feature or this tier. So if we simply remove this, all the price tier will go away. But what will happen is the B2B groups will not see the price tier as well. So what we are going to do is copy this price tier and paste these to all our B2B groups. Now for saving the time, we are only going to add this price tier to our large business group. All right, we have copied all the price tiers. Now let's remove all these price tiers from here. Now I want to set up a new price for the large business group as well. So the regular price is 379 euro. For large businesses, we want to make it 350 euro. All right, now let's update. And now, as we are a regular customer, this is the price we are going to see. So let's visit our site and let's click on this product. And as you can see, the price tier is gone. Now, if we are a B2B user, let's get back to the dashboard and click on users. And if we set our user to, say, large businesses, and now if we visit our site and select this product, you can see that we are seeing the price tier list, and also we have a different pricing for our B2B group. Now what you have to do is actually go to each separate products and set up the price tiers and pricing for your B2C user. Now this will take some time, but you will finally have a B2B and a B2C hybrid marketplace using B2BKing. So that is how you can turn your B2B website into a B2B plus B2C hybrid marketplace. Now if you want a full tutorial on how you can create a B2B website using B2BKing, we have a tutorial that you can watch. You can find it in the video description. Now as you know, B2BKing is a premium plugin and you need to purchase it in order to use it. So let's discuss the pricing. If we take a look at the pricing, B2BKing has annual and lifetime plans. The annual plans have 3 tiers, the Startup, Pro, and Developer. The Startup tier is available for a discount price of $179, and this gives you 1 website license, and you will get access to 139 plus features and functions, plus monthly updates and premium support. The Pro tier is available for a discount price of $249, which gives you some additional features such as company credit add-on, Dokkan add-on, WCFM add-on. And with the Pro tier, you will be able to use it on up to 3 websites. Finally, there's the Developer tier, which is available for a discount price of $399. With it, you get the backend white label as well. And you can use this for unlimited websites. Now, there's also the lifetime plans, which requires you to pay only a one-time fee, and you can keep working on your B2B or a B2C hybrid marketplace. So that brings our video to an end. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.